In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. If you're new to Zoho Books or simply looking for a clear guide on how to navigate the chart of accounts, you're in the right place. First, let's begin by navigating to the Zoho Books website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.zoho.com/books. Once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, look for the Sign In button, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to log into your account, enter your credentials and hit the Login button. Once logged in, you will find yourself on the Zoho Books homepage. This is where you can manage your financial records all in one streamlined interface. Now, our focus today is on accessing the chart of accounts, a fundamental feature that allows you to view and manage all your financial accounts in one place. To do this, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Accountant. This section houses a plethora of tools to keep your financial management on track. Click on the Accountant section and you'll be taken to a new page. Here, you will see a variety of options, but the one we're interested in today is the chart of accounts. Click on that and you will enter the hub where all your financial accounts are listed. The chart of accounts is an essential component for organizing your business's financials. Think of it as a comprehensive index of all the accounts you're dealing with. Each account reflects a category within your financials, such as assets, liabilities, revenue, or expenses. Now that you're in the chart of accounts, you may want to add a new account. To do this, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the page, where you'll see a button labeled New Account. Click on that button to start the process of creating a new financial account. You'll need to fill in the required fields for your new account, such as the account type, name, and any additional details pertinent to the account's purpose. Once you've filled everything in accurately, click Save, and your new account will be added to the chart of accounts. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you can easily navigate and manage your accounts within Zoho Books. The chart of accounts section is a vital tool for keeping your financial data organized, helping you make informed and strategic decisions about your business. We hope this guide has helped you gain confidence in handling your financial organization within Zoho Books. Thank you for joining us today, and happy accounting.